Welcome to Sales Fails, where we take the world's worst pitches and give them a nudge in the right direction. Our first remodeling job comes from this email we received with a precision monitoring instrument? Or a chair, is what was revealed. The email stated, the professional chair that engineers love and wish they'd bought sooner. Above was an image of the gentleman who I guess sent me the email with the player icon above him, stating that it was probably a video, and clicking on it sent you over to a lovely Vimeo channel with the video expertly titled MV1701. Not to be confused with MV1700 or MV1702, the next generation. Above was the title, Watch This If Your Chair Does This. Spoiler alert, it probably does, it's a chair. So what makes this chair different is the fact that it can lean you forwards, to gently push you out of your chair, kind of like your nan in a nursing home. After watching the video, we scrubbed down to the comments to see a lovely comment from a 2015 Keith. Arms are still gonna be in the way when you add in the guitar track for the client. They need to get their head out of there. Thank you, 2015 Keith, I agree. It was now clear that the product was designed for music engineers and not your mate Teddy who's fixing your toilet right now. So let's move on to fixing this email sent to us from the early 2000s. First of all, the subject line was quite eye-catching and it did pretty well. Does your chair do this? I don't know. Does my chair do this? The chair was pitched as this innovative new way of sitting, but all it can kind of do is lean forward a bit. You know, it's 2020, maybe add a cup holder or a social distancing stick, or maybe a barrier to get that annoying person in the office to f*** off. What went wrong, really, was the targeting of the client. We are not a guitar shop, we are not a music studio, and maybe add a title to the video. M171 or whatever you want to call it isn't doing anyone any favors. So, can the pitch be salvaged? Well, with a few content updates, maybe a few design tweaks here and there, it could easily put some butts in seats. But as for now, it's going to be dropping straight into the junk folder. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more sales fails, don't forget to subscribe to Maverrik. And if you would like to fix your business pitches, check out the rest of our content. We will guide you from growing your business and marketing it properly. And if you need help sprucing up your pitch, connect to us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Pinterest. Send me a voicemail.